So today we're going to be doing a challenge to see how many sales I can get on a brand new Depop account. To show you guys how to do it, I'm going to document the whole journey and show to you guys that it's not luck, it's not skill, anyone can do it, so that you guys can start your Depop journey. I'm going to show you how to do it and show you the results in every step along the way. Load up Depop, and that load, we're just going to head up here, sign up. Brand new account, we're going to continue with email. Now, I'm going to blur out some of this stuff because you don't need to know my personal details, but first name will just go Jeff. It's not really. Last name, Hansel. This isn't actually my name, but I'm just using a fake one. Username, Jeffrey, underscore Hansel. First and last name looks legit. I'll put in my personal one and password here. An email address. I'm going to blur this out so I don't get any spam emails from you guys. And I'm in Australia. I don't want to sign up for their exclusive offers because otherwise they're just going to be pinging me left, right and centre. Now I'm going to put in my phone number here so they can verify me. Then I'll be right back. Phone number and link my PayPal. I didn't show you guys and screen record it to show you guys because I figured there's not much point. Everything's just blurred. It's all my own personal information that I'm not going to show anyway. So I figured I won't show you guys, we'll jump right into the good bit. So I've got my brand new store. I've got Jeffrey Hansel, 0 followers, not following anyone, Jeffrey Hansel shop. So where do we go from here? I'm going to, as you can see on the side of my screen here, I have got all of these screenshots from products from AliExpress from my supplier list. My supplier list I trust because I've had them all personally delivered to my house, so I know the quality and the shipping times for everything. But otherwise you have to go to AliExpress, find photos, and hope that they're good. Go base judge off reviews. Otherwise, get my supplier link, get someone's supplier link. They are majorly helpful. I'm not just pushing mine, pushing anyone's. Get a supplier link. I do have mine down in the link below. They'll take you to the Telegram if you want, but I'm not saying you have to. Just saying it is majorly helpful. But we'll go to sell now. And literally, we're just going to start our first product. I'm going to put this on a time slap. I'm going to cut to a time slap because otherwise, I'll just show you roughly on the first one. So first one, we'll list in the products, and I'll grab the description, my pre-saved description in a minute, so I'll cut back to that, but we'll go out here, fill it all out. So this is a, where'd it go, women's accessory, and it's jewelry. This is actually a 2-in-1 piece, this one here. Occasion, I leave that. Type, it's a necklace and a bracelet. I'm going to go necklaces. Brand, it's other, it's not a branded product, and do not select branded product. That's how you're going to get banned, because someone's going to receive this. Say if you put Pandora and they receive it and they know it's not Pandora, that's a women's jewelry store. For anyone that doesn't know, they're going to report you, you're going to get banned. Brand new condition, that's true. I do custom and designer. Age, modern. Some of you will have this and some of you won't. When I've started some accounts, they're here. Some of them don't, but if you can, boost your listing. You want to boost your listing, see more people. Sometimes it'll let you, sometimes it won't, because you're meant to wait 30 days before you're able to do it. Sometimes it'll let you boost, sometimes it won't. $0 shipping. We cover all that. You put that in, it sells way better. It's like psychology. Watched a few videos on it. It's the psychology of tricking people into free shipping, but just up the item price. Same thing we do with the item price. We're at 29.9, so we won't make 30, we'll do 29.90. Looks cheaper, isn't quite $30. Yeah, let me just go quickly grab the description and I'll be back in a sec. Okay, got my description here. Like I said, I'll be back. Now, I have previously listed all of these items on another store, my main store and some of my second stores. So I'm literally just copying and pasting. I would recommend copying and having a saved description, save so much time, and that's what you want to do when you're doing a side hustle. You want to save as much time as possible. So we've got silver chain, bracelet, necklace combo, bracelets unisex, not really, but reach everyone. Post item, bang. Now, posted, perfect. Now I'm going to go ahead and do this for the rest of the products here. I will hit a time lapse of it, just super fast speed, so I won't bore you with it all. So I'll be back speaking to you in a few minutes after I've got all of these products listed.